Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be using Ohuhu's products. If you have yet to check out my last video, make sure you guys do because I do an unboxing and swatching of all the 8 colors of Ohuhu Polygel Nail Kits. So starting off, I am going to go ahead and add my base coat. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't ever miss out any of my videos. And I do upload every Tuesday and Sundays. For this nail design, we are going to be creating some LV nails with some pink and glitter and French nail and some pink and glitter ombre. And of course, I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts and opinions about their Ohuhu products. So for the ring finger, I am going to be using this jelly pink color with glitter, holographic glitter in it. I do like this polygel, but I am going to tell you guys right away that it is very soft. It was kind of sticky. All the polygels that I did try in this video to create this nail design, they all had different consistency. Well, at least the ones that I used in this video, like this pink one, like I stated before, it was sticky. It kind of reminded me of the consistency of Macart polygels. And then the pink one, the Barbie pink one, was more of in between. It wasn't as sticky or it wasn't as stiff. So for the pointer finger, I am going to be creating the French nail. So I'm not really worried whether it comes out right or not because I am going to be using crystals to kind of go around that French design. So if you're not a pro in creating French, don't worry. If you add crystals around where the French line goes, it will cover that mistake and it will still look pretty. Another thing that I did notice with this polygel was that I have to have my brush soaked into that slip solution for the polygel to not stick on my brush. That was like my trouble. As you already know, I love to use a silicone brush, but I wanted to use the brush that was given to me in this kit. And the brush was pretty soft, like the bristles, opposed to other polygel brushes that I have tried. And like I stated before, the pink one has a very nice consistency. It's the type of polygel that I like to work with, except for the pink one. It wasn't really my type. But nonetheless, I love the colors. And this pink one, like I stated before, is my favorite out of all of them because it just screams Barbie to me. Overall, for this polygel kit, I do like it. I love the consistency of some of them. I do love the array of colors that they included in this kit. And another thing is I do like the fact that it's easy accessible where you can find it on Amazon and is very affordable. So if you are a beginner and you're just getting into nail, it's something I would recommend. And polygel in general is very easy to work with if you have the right tools. Made it this far into this video, don't forget to give this video a like, a share, and let me know down below in the comment sections what you thought about this nail design. And I'll see you guys until next time. Don't forget I upload every Tuesdays and Sundays. Bye.